Okay, today we are talking with one of our favorite patients, Shirley. Shirley's been coming in just for a few weeks, and I want Shirley, just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm a 70-year-old woman, and I've been coming about 5 weeks, and I'm just amazed at the results that I've received since I've been coming. Prior to coming, I was overweight for all of my life, probably since I was a teen, dieting off and on and regaining more than I had lost. And I just feel so much better. In 1996, I had a stroke, an aneurysm, and then followed by a stroke, and it left me with one condition with the part of my arm from my wrist to my elbow. Felt a cold sensation, and that's the only thing that I was left with. But since then, I've noticed that has already changed. Some sinus problems, probably because the first treatment I had here, I noticed that I could smell, and my nose was much cleaner from that. In the process, I've lost 15 pounds since then, and I'm amazed because I was such a negative patient when I come in here. Within these 5 weeks, I have lost the 15 pound. I do not have no cravings, and when Aaron told me that I had to go off of flour and sugar, I said, no way at this time of the year with the holiday season approaching us. I have baked cookies, been around candies, and have not had the temptations that I normally would have had. It has just changed my life completely, more energy, I'm happier. I just can't express how good I feel, sleeping better and doing a lot more work, and I just climb the stairs so easily and everything, and it's just impressed me so much that I encourage anybody to take this leap of faith. And I know it's my dream to get down to my goal weight and proceed and have a healthier life with no diabetes that runs in my family, no cancer or heart problems. This is my goal, to just get healthier throughout this experience, and I can already see this happening.
All right. Thank you so much, Shirley.
You're welcome.